Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for January 15th. Goldman Sachs retires to the winner's circle, giving us a 32% return in 8 days. Look at this chart. It's beautiful. There, I'm getting a little bit nervous there. Goldman Sachs executed at 32. We got 357 per option share profit. And each option contract is 100 shares. So we got a total of 1071. 1071 minus the 900 that Goldman Sachs owed us being on the loss leaders list. We now end up with a winner's circle with a net of 171. And the alpha loss leaders group lost to 63 right there. Beautiful. Now, you said, but wait a minute. Weren't we at 19, 18 something yesterday? Yes, we were. But you got to figure that this was on closing price here was based on 245.66. 245.66. Our instructions were if the volume was below 244.50, we're going to be out of the trade. Well, the trade opened here at the close, opened here at 242. 242. It had a $3.60 drop based on a delta of, let's say, 50. That's $183 loss times 3 contracts times 100. It's a $550 drop plus any other factors that we do not know how options are done. Options are created by an algorithm called the Black-Scholes. The bottom line is that this happens. This does happen. It's okay. Why? Because we got out with a profit for the trade, and the profit was enough to pay back the loss leader. So I got back now 1071 back in my trading block. That's the beauty of it. And we move on. All right, so Goldman Sachs has gone to bed. Let's see what we got. We got Copart. So there's Copart. And Copart is also now getting very close. I would say we're getting close to Copart for a all bases loaded. Let's see if we can get our text up here. While we're getting our text, we'll reframe our setup. This is one of the drawbacks. Not all chart companies are perfect. So we'll go to, there we are. There's our text, and there we are. Now, Copart owes us $9.98. We are sitting at $11.75. We are in profit territory. But here's the thing. It can happen to us again. Now notice something. I'm going to have to stretch this out because this last bar low is a little on the strange side. And here's why. It was calculated off this low yesterday. That 995 was calculated off this low. Look what happened here. Now, point is, and remember I mentioned this before, it's nothing new, exits do not retreat. That's the bottom line. Exits do not retreat. So once I move this exit up, just because I got a new low here, which would tell me that I would be looking at getting out at 995.85, it ain't gonna happen. Exits do not retreat. Let's go ahead and type that in here as a lesson. Exits do not retreat. There we are. So once you have set an exit up on one of your trades, you do not retreat. Now the word payback is right there. It lines up with that thick, that dark green. So yeah, if we can come down here, we might be a little short. But remember, what is the mantra at Losers Become Winners? Big rocks become little pebbles become profits. So if I get back $950, that means it's only going to be owing me $48. So it's a lot easier to be grabbed $48 back plus profit at the next trade. And the next trade is developing right in here. It's right in this zone. It's just a little bit of resistance. We'll see what happens. But the ultimate point is we got to go ahead and you set up the stop. So let me go ahead and look at this, the stop here. 95.95. We set it yesterday. That's it. Done. Apollo fell back. Nothing to report there. So let's go over to the Tigers League and see how they're doing. Oh, look at this. We got 20% on Coca-Cola. That is sweet. That means Coca-Cola is in profit zone. If it's in profit zone, we're going to be looking at moving up that stop. Now, unfortunately, it is 10% short. But here, I see a possibility. Who can identify this? You guys have been with me for a while, should be able to identify this as I've been talking about it. Yeah, it's called what? The Day Traders Dip Low. Day Traders Dipper, right there. Very tiny. Yeah, I mean, I almost missed it myself, but if you go and really check your instrument panel, look at your data, the low is 55.45. The low here now is 55.42, and this qualifies as a profit zone leader. Oh, I have to take a pause here. Be right back. Sorry about that. A little bit of a pause there. Okay, so what's going to happen? We're going to be looking at this low to set a profit zone dipper exit. Remember, I talked to you guys about that. I taught you about dipper exits. It's a day trader's exit. I use it to protect what? Profit. And 125, and Coca-Cola owes us a pretty penny. They owe us 453 right there. Look at that, 453. I'll take it. Big rocks become pebbles. Pebble becomes profit. So I'm looking at 55.30. So I'm going to come here to my value, my 55.30. Change this to green. Take off the market date to the 15th. Move the marker out 2 weeks out and hit OK. There it is. So now we have our marker right here based off this right there. And we'll come over and do our notes. Remember, we have to do our notes. Come here, change this to 15. Now change this to a, what is it, guys? Remember, dipper exit. And 55.30. We're going to go ahead and highlight that and hit OK. Come up to the sales ticket, cancel and replace order. You don't change that order here, this is not going to fly. 55.30, save it, confirm it, send it, done, done. There we are. We are set. So that's all we can do there. And the Tigers have 20 loss leaders, so we don't have anything happening right now. The Tigers owe 618. I need to go check that. I got it's 453. I think this is the old one. But you know what? I'll give you a confirmation. Let me give you a confirmation now. Let me go ahead and pull up my trusty spreadsheet. I will protect my spreadsheet. Tigers. Coke. It is 618. I apologize. It is 618. Take away the old one. All right. Still, I'm not gonna go. You know, 125 takes it to just below 500. 500 takes it below 3. 300 takes it below 100. 100. Boom. We're out. Okay. So that that concludes with nothing to talk about DIA. That's it. So let's go ahead and call it a night here at Losers Become Winners. Red Sweater Guy, thank you so much for that win, and catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.